We are working on PowerPoint multi-project 1. We're on the ice cream shop project. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and locate the center of the slide by displaying the alignment guides. That's going to be on the View tab, guys, and you have the alignment guides right there, and that shows us the center. We'll click Mark Completed. It tells us that we're going to change the slide 3, the chart, so we're going to go ahead and click on slide 3. And this chart right here, they don't want it the way it is. They want to make it a clustered bar. So we'll go ahead and click Design, and we're going to click Change Chart Type. Now, because I have this chart selected, I have those special tabs to do that. So, and then it tells us that we're just going to do a bar clustered. We can double click, and notice it changed the chart for me. We'll click Mark Completed. It tells us to go to the last slide and reorder these shapes so that the diagram reads quality ingredients plus exciting flavors equals amazing ice cream. Now, we're going to go ahead and click this. You would think you could do Control X, and for this you can. I would encourage you not to do this, though, because if this was anything else with a picture attached to it, you'll end up messing up your smart art. Instead of doing all that, you want to select this. We'll go to the Design tab, and with this selected, because we want exciting flavor second, we're actually just going to click Move Up. And if this had a graphic attached to it, it would not mess up this. So all I did was I went to the Design tab with this selected and clicked Moved Up. We'll click Mark Completed. We're going to apply a transition effect with a duration of 1.5 on all slides. So we'll go ahead and click the Transitions tab with this selected. We're going to go ahead and change the duration to 1.5. I'm clicking, but you can also type. And then we're going to click Apply to All. Click Mark Completed. And we're going to change the print options to be high quality. So we're going to go to File, Options, and we're going to Advanced, and we're looking for Print. And then right here is High Quality. Click OK. We'll click Mark Completed.